Inside a modern smart factory, millions of dollars of advanced robotics work in a synchronized blur. It's a high-stakes environment where a single delay can cascade into massive financial losses. But whether a facility is producing automotive navigation systems or the circuit boards for induction cookers, the biggest risk to throughput rarely comes from the primary placement machines. The real vulnerability lies in the physical gaps between them. Look at this line integration diagram. Between the heavy lifters, the stencil printers, the pick-and-place modules, and the reflow ovens, you have these narrow, mandatory spaces dedicated to board handling. If a printed circuit board doesn't transition flawlessly across these spaces, the entire sequence breaks down. A millimeter of misalignment can scratch delicate electronic traces, trigger catastrophic bottlenecks, and force a total line shutdown. That specific vulnerability is why Southern Machinery developed the S460C rail conveyor. It is an engineered bridge designed exclusively to close these voids and maintain seamless integration. Ultimately, a multi-million-dollar production line is only as fast and reliable as the links connecting it. A stable conveyor protects that throughput from the physical friction of manual handling or uncoordinated machine outputs. To build an effective bridge, the first challenge is strictly physical. The conveyor must perfectly align with the rigid, immovable machines stationed on either side of it. To achieve this flush transition, the S460C utilizes a robust aluminum profile frame. It is calibrated to an industry-standard working height of 900 millimeters, with 20 millimeters of fine-tuning available via adjustable cup feet to ensure a dead-level track. Because circuit boards come in wildly different shapes, operators use a simple manual rocker mechanism to smoothly expand or contract the internal track width to match the exact dimensions of the current batch. This specification sheet highlights the conveyor's adaptability. Line 1 shows the maximum PCB width capacity is 460 millimeters, making it capable of handling substantial, large-scale panels. This precise physical alignment is mandatory. Even a microscopic collision or a slight vertical drop between machines could jar freshly placed, unsoldered components right off their paths. Once the board is safely on the track, the next hurdle is moving it. The transit process has to be perfectly smooth and completely protected from static discharge. The S460C accomplishes this using a specially designed 4mm flat belt. This belt securely grips the edge of the circuit board while actively neutralizing electrostatic discharge risks that could fry sensitive microchips. The operator can dial in the exact transit pace using the speed knob on the front control panel, adjusting the belt anywhere from a slow half meter to a rapid 12 meters per minute. This granular control is vital because the conveyor has to act as a buffer. It must be perfectly calibrated to catch the output rhythm of the upstream machine and match the exact intake capacity of the downstream machine. By providing liquid-smooth, static-safe transit, the line can maintain a high-volume yield without introducing invisible electronic shorts or structural damage to the boards along the way. The final challenge is entirely invisible. A smart factory is often populated by a mix of equipment from different manufacturers, like Juki, Panasonic, or Yamaha, and the conveyor has to talk to all of them. To prevent physical pileups, the conveyor functions as an intelligent node. It uses the universal SMEMA communication protocol to coordinate the flow of traffic across the line. This is the internal hardware that drives that logic, the ETP1016 relay board. At the front end, specific signal lines, yellow Y2 and black CM2, receive a board-ready ping from upstream. Simultaneously, post-signal lines transmit board available status to the downstream machine. Looking at this output schematic diagram, we can see how this feedback loop translates to physical action. The control circuit processes those upstream and downstream signals to trigger the relay, starting or stopping the belt exactly when needed. Through this continuous electronic handshake, the S460C stitches isolated third-party machines together into a single unbroken organism. In its primary automated state, known as bypass mode, the conveyor operates completely autonomously. The PCB moves directly across the bridge, stopping only if the rear inductor detects a delay in downstream clearance. Operators can switch the machine into normal mode. This adapts the bridge into an active test bench, automatically halting the board at a central detection inductor so a technician can perform a manual inspection before hitting the pass button. This verify ensures the half-meter gap between machines doesn't become a point of failure. This predictable handoff is what allows complex assembly lines to maintain the high-speed cadence of modern electronics manufacturing.